Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel, where we embark on a journey of transforming the exterior of your home into a breathtaking green paradise. In this series, we will unveil a plethora of creative outside house greenery ideas that will breathe a life into your outdoor spaces and bring you closer to nature. Image number one is lush landscaping. Immerse yourself in the world of lush landscaping as we explore various ways to design and arrange plants, trees, and flowers around your home. Learn how to create captivating garden beds, planters, and green walls that add color and vibrancy to your outdoor assets. Image number two is vertical gardens. Discover the magic of vertical gardens and witness how they turn blank walls and fences into living works of art. We'll introduce you to innovate vertical gardening techniques and stunning designs that maximize space and create a green spectacle. Number three is sustainable gardening. Embrace the eco-friendly side of outside house greenery with the sustainable gardening ideas, from rainwater harvesting systems to compositing solutions. We'll explore ways to make your garden not just beautiful but environmentally conscious too. Number four is outdoor relaxation zones. Create serene outdoor relaxation zones with greenery as your backdrop. We'll showcase inspiring ideas for setting up cozy seating areas, hammocks, and outdoor lounges amidst lush vegetation for a true nature retreat. Number five is magical lighting. Illuminate your outside house greenery with enchanting lighting ideas. Discover how the right choice of outdoor lighting can transform your garden into a magical wonderland during the evenings, creating a dreamy atmosphere for entertaining and unwinding. Number six is edible gardens. Explore the joy of growing your own food with edible gardens, from vegetable patches to herb gardens. Will share tips on cultivating a bountiful and delicious harvest right in your backyard. Throughout this series, our gardening experts and landscape designers will guide you through step-by-step tutorials offering valuable tips, plant recommendations, and maintenance advice. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, we have ideas tailored for several space and budget, empowering you to create an outside house greenery heaven that reflects your unique taste and style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel that and also here's the notification bell so you won't miss any of the our upcoming greenery and outdoor design videos. Let's cultivate a harmonious relationship between your home and nature, crafting an outside sanctuary that brings joy and tranquility to your everyday life. Again, the importance of outside house greenery and new ideas extends beyond mere aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall well-being of residents and contributing to a sustainable environment. Here, in which being surrounded by greenery has proven benefits for mental health. Studies have shown and that exposure to nature reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, while improving overall mood and cognitive function. Thank you.